Know Your Mare by Overlord Flinks. Princess Celestia. Know your mare, know your mare, know your mare. Regally the pure white mare stood with her rainbow-hue mane drifting along her back as she formed a smile at the start of the words. Princess Celestia. She's old. Well, that goes without saying. And it shows. Are you implying I look elderly? I assure you I most certainly don't. I at least think not. Princess Celestia. She wears a wig. That's most certainly untrue. I'd like you to know, my sister and I both are gifted with magnificent manes. Please keep your statements to facts. Princess Celestia. She lowers the sun when she doesn't want to work. I can't say I've ever done that. More than once. Princess Celestia has a royal nose-picker. Why would I have one of... Wait a moment. No, it's still untrue. Princess Celestia banished her parents but keeps her title because it makes her sound younger. Banishing people without warrant, family no less? Sir, I won't stand for you smearing any more lies on my good name. Now you know, Princess Celestia. They certainly don't. You realize I'm the princess, right? I will not stand by and let you continue these lying acts. With a flax of her wings, Princess Celestia stormed out of the light in the room.